folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Hello folks, welcome back. It's time for a battery replacement on this watch. And this time, I'm actually going to use a different device to hold the watch down. And so I may have to go this. I think, yeah, that's how I'm going to have to go. But I have this watch repair kit. There's instructions on how to use some of the tools. So here we go. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out. Last time I did a repair, I didn't really do much of this. So here, let's put the watch in there. Let's see if we can. You don't want too tight, just want it so it holds in there. There you go. Alright. Alright, there we can put our tools over here, up here. There you go. There. Alright. Okay. Now I need to grab the battery. Actually, what I'm going to do is put this out of the way for now. Alright. Here we go. Now, we have the tool. Now we're going to pop the top. Okay, it's over here. Okay, we pop the top. There you go. I remember this one. Okay, here we are. Then we got tweezers. Alright. Okay, here we go. Alright. Ooh, that holds that in place. Then we pull the battery out. Then we pop in the new one. Alright. Then I'm going to take a listen. Okay. You have to be quiet to take a listen to make sure that it's working. Because some batteries, sometimes you do get a few duds. Then we put this back on. Okay, come on. Sometimes it's a struggle. Alright. Okay, there, it popped back in. Then what you do is you take your top again. Here we go. Hold on. you're all done. With that, okay, here, hold on, let me put some of my tools back. This kit is really nice. It's actually kind of, I think I spent $25 on it. I have a video talking about it a bit, but so I'm not going to go into details about it too much, but just watch my other video. I think it's like Tools 2 or something. Yeah, I want to say it's either Tools 2. Yeah, it would be like a Tools 2 on YouTube. Okay, now I'm going to loosen this to get from the grip, just from holding it in. Pull out the watch. Look at it. Because all I'm doing is replacing batteries. I'm not. Now I could tell my woman that I've done it again, and then you have to wait. It'll should run for quite a while, and then eventually you'll have to replace the battery again. But because I'm able to do this, we save money. So, don't need to buy a watch every time one goes out. Which, that's sad because sometimes these do have a tendency of having that happen to them. So, yeah. Anyway, nice. Okay. So, there you go. It's all done. Works. You can see it. Oh, I can see it. I don't know if you can. But it's moving. No, you can't. You may not be able to see it. It's kind of weird. Yeah. But anyway, it's all fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll leave with some closing thoughts. Yeah. I'll see you in the closing thoughts video. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we, take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos. And it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.